Hello everyone, Tangzhong bread. We together make Tangzhong bread, as you see, so spongy and very tasty. The aroma, the flavor, it's exactly like you eating cotton. We do all the technique. I will teach you how to make Tangzhong and what is the best recipe to make. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis, pastry champion of Africa 2011. Corporate pastry chef for many cruise line. 200 milli water, 40 gram flour. That's it. To be honest, the best recipe is 100 milli water, 100 milli fresh milk, and 40 gram flour. We mix it very good. When it's cold, then we bring it to boil. You stir all the time to avoid any lumps or the flour cook from the bottom. When becomes thickener, better to use whisk. So Tangzhong or Yudan almost is the same. The difference is Tangzhong, you added flour to the liquid when it's cold, then to bring it to boil. Yudan, you bring hot boiling water, you add it to the flour. That's it. You take all, you keep minimum 6 hours in the fridge. Minimum 6 hours. After 6 hours, here is the recipe. 580 gram flour, 60 gram sugar, 12 gram salt, 10 gram yeast, 10 gram milk powder, 260 fresh milk, but I added water. I forgot and added water. All ingredients together. Instead of water, you must added milk. You start machine slowly. Later, when combined together, you added Tangzhong dough. It's soft dough. You need mixer. Now I added Tangzhong. You see when it's liquid, when it's cold, it's strong. Then you increase the speed. It takes 12 to 15 minutes in the mixer. Then you added 60 gram butter, room temperature. As you see, it's like the same process of brioche. You can see step by step the dough absorb everything and clean from the bowl. You can see there is no sticky in the bowl. It takes exactly 12 minutes. Then I bring it to bowl. I cover, I leave to prove. It takes almost 50 to 1 hour. I keep to prove in the stove. After 50 minutes, you can see very soft dough. I dust table with the flour. I divide the dough, every dough almost 300 gram. You can see this very important. The dough is really soft, and then you squeeze to make it round ball like burger. You dust your finger if you need. Now, this is extra bread. I make it small roll. And I cover for 15 minutes. So you make the dough, you leave it 50 minutes to rest. Then you roll it, you keep it 15 minutes to rest. And then now we roll it again. Be careful, this step is very important. You spread the dough with your hand. And then you bring one side and then to other side. And then you roll it opposite, as you see. And you close the bottom. Very important step. Now I have, if you have toast mold, if you don't have, you can use this aluminum. It takes 3 dough, each dough 300 gram, so almost 90 gram. You can do it as one loaf, or you do it 3 loaf as I'm doing, which I prefer, is much better. All the same technique. You close the end, roll it, put in the middle. This is the third one or the final one. This is very important, the way I'm rolling the bread. Good, that who gives texture and make it fluffy. As you see, all my recipe, I never use bread improver. This little one is extra. We roll it like petit pain. Now we cover it and leave it to prove 50 to 1 hour. It's depend about your place. I added 1 egg, little fresh milk. It will be very good egg wash. Will make it shiny. With brush, make it very light. The bread is so sensitive, so make it tight and nice. It will be shiny, as you see in the beginning of the video. Then I warm the oven 10 minutes before I bake 170. After that I bake for 175 almost 15 to 20 minutes. Here is the result. I'm always saying, don't work hard Just work smart. Follow the steps exactly as I did, and you will have the most beautiful Japanese Tangzhong bread. Thanks for being my channel, guys.